Hello guys, welcome to live trading video. I started video from 9 o'clock, but that video had some technical issues and all, so I'm recording it again. The time is just 9:17, so we will wait for the first candle close, then we will take our entry. So in Nifty you can see price opened below the previous day low and it is taking support as the pivot level. And in Bank Nifty, if you see the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty also opened below the previous day low. So we will see how the first candle will be closing, and depending upon that we will take some entry. So I will update you traders once I take my entry or how the first candle will be closing. The time is 9:19 and we still have 25 seconds for the candle to close. Today I am doing option buying because in the last week I made a poll regarding what type of trader you are. So most of the people told that they are option buyers. So I thought I will make a live trading video for option buyers especially. So today is Wednesday, so theta decay will be there. So how we can manage theta decay and how we can take entry as an option buyer will be explained in this video. The first candle has been closed, but in Bank Nifty it is taking support at the pivot level. In Bank Nifty it is below the pivot level. So we can take entry in a Bank Nifty as a gap down open, but in Nifty it is taking support from the pivot. If Nifty reverses from pivot level, then we can expect a upward move in Bank Nifty also. So that is the reason why we can't take entry whenever there is a support in one index and other index is free from it. You can see Bank Nifty also reversed. Most of the time Nifty and Bank Nifty moves in line with each other. So we can't take entry whenever there is a support in other index. So this is a chart of Bank Nifty in 1 minute time frame. To understand price action very clearly, I am using a 1 minute time frame also here to explain everything. It will be very easy for me to explain things very easily with the 1 minute time frame, right? So we will see, this is the chart of 1 minute time frame and this is a chart of Bank Nifty for options. So I didn't choose any options yet because I didn't took any entry yet. So I'm not planning any entry yet. So we will see how the first candle will be forming, where we can take entry and all, right? So this is the previous day low. Yeah, right, this is the previous day low. See how beautifully price action is happening here. Look at the candlesticks, don't need to look at anything else. Look at the price action of candlesticks. Look how candles are forming where buyers and sellers are taking positions. See here in 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see that first 2 to 3 minutes sellers were in control. Again buyers took control over the market and they are trying to move in an upward direction. If you see the Nifty also, they are very strong here. In Nifty also, buyers are very strong. There is a PDL level here, previous day low level here. We will see how the price action will be happening at that PDL level. So our entry will be completely based on price action, that means candlesticks and how the price will be behaving, not upon any other indicators or not upon any other factors. So as an option buyer, our entry should be very important, very important as an option buyer. For an option buyer, more than exit, entry is very important. So you can see here the first candle is trying to close above PDL, but in Bank Nifty it is somewhere here only inside the first candle. So if you see the Bank Nifty chart in 1 minute time frame, you can see how clearly buyers are trying to move the price in upward direction. See here, the 1 minute candle is trying to close above first candle high, but it is facing resistance there, right? We will see how beautifully price is reacting at that level, right? 1 minute candle closed above first candle high, that means sellers level has been broken in 1 minute time frame. But for the breakout to confirm, we need to wait for the first 5 minute candle close. See here, Nifty also trying to break the PDL level. Bank Nifty is almost trying to break the first candle high, that means red candle high. So what we can understand here is sellers move the price in downward direction. After that, buyers took control over here. So they broke the seller's important level. The important level has been broken now. But whether this breakout is valid, whether this breakout is strong, for that we need to wait for the first 5 minute candle close, right? Higher the time frame, higher will be the breakout confirmation. So if you need a confirmation, then you should wait for the higher time frame candle close. A pin bar sort of candle has been formed here. Let us see how the next candle will be. Bank Nifty in 5 minute time frame, we have still 44 minutes left, 44 seconds left. In Nifty is above the PDL level. It is above the PDL level. PDL is an important level because yesterday it was a wonderful big day in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. So let us see. See how beautifully buyers are trying to move the price in upward direction. As an option buyer, I just need one candle in Bank Nifty. One big candle in Bank Nifty is enough for me to make a profit. So as an option buyer, for me, entry is very important than a exit. So strike price selection, that we all discuss in other video, but today, yeah, today the first candle is trying to sellers again enter at the important level of their first candle high. You can see here a pin bar candle and a red candle closed below pin bar. So there might be a good momentum here in Bank Nifty, but there is a pivot level here. So pivot might act as a support and price might move in upward direction. So don't confuse, this is a chart of 1 minute, this is 5-minute chart, this is chart of Nifty in 5-minute chart. So we will wait. See, in Nifty also price didn't close above PDL. I just need one trade, one wonderful trade. Till that time I will wait. As a trader, what is our job? Our job is to wait. We will wait till we get a wonderful trade, right? So see how sellers are acting at this location. Look at the price action. Just look at the price action. No need any strategies, right? Just look at the price action. I told pin bar sort of candle has been formed. Red candle closed below pin bar. Indication of sellers strong entry. So, but there is a pivot level. So why we are using CPR pivot points? Just for the levels. We don't take any entries based on CPR or pivot points. We are taking entry on candlestick formation, not on any other factors. So here there was a pivot level, so that pivot might act as a support for the price. After that, price might make an upward move. So that is the reason why we didn't took any entry here. But now you can see whether the sellers are breaking that level or not. So as an option buyer, this is not a perfect entry for me because price might take support from the pivot level and it might consolidate here only. After that, it might break. But as an option buyer, I need a quick movement. A quick 3 to 4 candles should be there as an option buyer. So that is the reason why we are waiting for the perfect entry, right? Bank Nifty here in Nifty, it is trying to break that PDL level. If the PDL level breaks, we can expect a wonderful big move till CPR because you can see how big was the move yesterday. From almost here, price made a one-sided move. See, sellers created position, they made a wonderful downward movement. So there are sellers at the PDL. Some people might have carry forwarded their position today and some people book their profit here, and again at the same point buyers might have entered. So it is an important level of sellers at the PDL. So if the PDL breaks, previously low breaks, then we can expect a big move in Bank Nifty. And same way in Bank Nifty also you can see it is also consolidating here. As I told earlier, the pivot is acting as a support for the price. Let's see, let's wait for the perfect entry, right? Nifty is clearly facing resistance from the PDL. If you see the 1 minute time frame chart of Nifty, you can understand the price action very clear. See here, price is facing resistance exactly from the previous day low. Why price is facing resistance from this level? Because it is an important level of sellers and it is important for buyers also. So the buyers and sellers fight is happening here. So whoever break this location will make the profit and we will go behind them and we will also make some profit. That is the concept. Okay. No strategy, nothing else. We will observe the candlestick formation. Just candlestick is important. Just candlestick formation will give you profits. Okay. Yeah. In Bank Nifty also you can see. See how beautifully pivot is acting. That is the reason why we are using CPR and pivot points. These are the levels which will be followed by new big institutions and big players. So we are following footprints of these big players. We won't follow retail traders because 95% of the retail traders lose money in the market. Whom we should follow then? We should follow big players. How big players are taking entry and exit, and we will just stand behind them and we will make some profit whenever they make a profit. So we are just following footprints of big players. See here. Price is facing resistance from the PDL here. I just need one candle. One candle has an option buyer because just one quick move will make my day, right? Wow, what a wonderful consolidation here. Red candle, a red candle formed. You can see from here buyers try to make an upward movement. So when a red candle forms, it is an indication of seller's entry here. Seller's position is there here, right? So obviously they will protect that location, right? Whenever buyers try to break that level. So why buyers try to break that level? All the stop losses of sellers will be triggered and they will be in profit. So that is the concept behind some important locations. I think now we broken the first candle high, so we will take an entry once it makes a small reversal, right? We will take a long position once it makes a small reversal, right? See, we will see the 1 minute time frame chart. Yeah, there is a small seller's pressure. Price might make a small reversal till the breakout level, so we will take entry once it makes a small reversal. So as an option buyer, for me, entry is very important. I can't take entry once the candle closes, right? Because my premium, everything will move drastically down when there is a bearish candle, right? So price is coming down, so price is coming near to the breakout level. So I placed my order. I will share the screenshot, okay? Profit and all we won't share here, right? I will share my screenshot of entry. So and my entry didn't trigger it. Let us see the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, price is coming down. I think it will trigger. My order has been triggered now. 275 is my entry. I place limit orders because of these free trades and all. So I thought it will come near the breakout level, but after that, yeah, it is coming near to my breakout level only. We will see. I think now it might make a reversal. It reached almost till the breakout level, right? This was the breakout level of first candle. The level of sellers has been broken. So again, that level will act as a support for the price because buyers entry is there. So they will keep the stop loss either below the breakout level, either below the entry candle low. So right, they will keep their stop loss like this only. Either there is a pivot also. So they will keep the stop loss like that only. So that is the reason why that is an important level for us. Why I waited till the reversal? As an option buyer, my premium will go down very fast due to the theta decay because it's a Wednesday. On Wednesday, theta decay will be fast. So, as an option buyer, small red candle will reduce your premium rate. If the premium is at 280, the premium was at 280 or 290 something when the breakout happened. Now the premium is at around 268. Look at the difference. Some people enter directly at the breakout. That is the reason why already their stop loss will be triggered once price makes an reversal, right? As an option buyer, you should always look how your premium price can be reduced so that whenever price makes a reversal, your stop loss will be safe. Now I took entry somewhere here at 275. Now the price is at 268. Still my stop loss is very less. If the price comes till here and triggers my stop loss also, my stop loss will be very small compared to 280 or 290, right? So that is the reason why I waited for the small reversal. As an option buyer, you should observe all the things, right? Now the premium came to 286. So 286 means whatever the entry those option buyers entered at the close will be here 286. Now I am with a profit at that entry location. That is the reason why we should wait as an option buyer. We should not jump in directly to take entries. So you can also see here the previous day low has been broken in Nifty also. So we will see. I needed a wonderful upward movement. My target will be in Bank Nifty. This is my target, the previous day low. And let us observe the price action as 1 minute time frame. See here how beautifully price is trying to move in an upward direction. Observe the price action here. Just observe the price action. This is the breakout level. Price came almost till that breakout level. After that, it is trying to make an upward movement. Now I am in a profit right now. See, I just need a big move. I don't need any small movements as an option buyer. So in Bank Nifty also it is trying to make an upward move. I mean Nifty. So Bank Nifty is trying to make an upward move. So now we should be very careful about our exit also, right? Is there any important level? No, right? I think there is no important previous level. Price is facing around with a resistance here. No, there are no important levels. It is just an resistance. So price will make an upward move till PDL. Okay, Nifty is also trying to break that PDL level. Even though if it breaks, my stop loss will be very less. No, my entry was perfect here. Look at the move, man. Look at the move. How big was the move? Once the price reaches PDL, we will exit our position no matter what it happens, right? Currently, we are in profit. I think we are near to our exit position. It is reaching the PDL level. We can exit now. We don't need to wait for the perfect exit. Oh, it's trying to make a reversal, right? 310 is my exit. Once it triggers, I'm out. Yes, I'm out. I made a profit. I didn't wait till the PDL to cross or something, because option buyer, I'm option buyer, small reversal will also hurt me very much. So a wonderful profit of morning. So this was the trade today. So there is a space in Nifty to make an upward movement till CPR, but in Bank Nifty there is a resistance of PDL. So I'm done for the day as an option buyer. I'm done for the day. One trade. I took my trade and I will share the entry and exit in the screenshots. 275 was my entry and 310 was my exit. I exited because there was a PDL. So what was the difference here? 35 points per lot is my profit. 35 points I made as a profit. So if you multiply this by 25 per lot, how much you made? Per one lot, how much you made? 35 into 25 is all around 875. Now some people are not satisfied with these 875. Whoever the beginner is trading with one lot only. So for example, for 6,000 to 7,000 you will get one lot. So for 6,000 you are making 875 rupees. Look at the return you are getting as an option buyer. But some people are not happy with this 875 per one lot because they need big money. Why? They saw the screenshot of big players who is making 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 40,000 rupees. But they don't look at the quantity or they don't look at the lot size they took. So as an option buyer, you should be happy with small profits also. You should not wait for double my money or quick rich scheme and all, right? So for one lot, you made 875 rupees. Now think about you are a buyer with 10 lots. Now your quantity will be 250. For 250 quantities, if you are making 35 rupees in just a few minutes, for 10 lots you are making 8,750 rupees, right? 8,000 rupees you are making. If you are making small money, be happy for that, whatever the profit, whatever might be the profit. Now if you look at the premium, it is running at 322. We should not observe those things. It might reverse also, no? You should not hold on that hope. Oh, yesterday it went up after my exit. I exited at 310. After that, it went to 422. Some people think like that. Oh, I lost so much of point. That you can capture when you increase the lot size. When you have 10 lots, 15 lots, at that time you can exit with 12 lots. After that you can keep that 3 lots for the whole day. If there is a good profit, then you can make good profit with that. Otherwise you can take your stop loss once it reverses, right? So if it moves in your favor, then it's good. If it doesn't move in your favor, then take the stop loss because you are already in the profit. So that is the concept here. So never look at the big profits or never feel bad that you are making only 800 rupees for one lot. 800 rupees for one lot is a very good thing. So now don't think how much money I made. I don't give that money to you, right? I won't give that money. If I made 2 lakh or if I made 1 lakh rupees from this trade, I don't give that money for you. That doesn't mean anything, right? You should be proud of yourself as a trader. You should be very proud as a trader. Whatever might be the profit, whatever might be the loss, you should be proud of your analysis. You should be proud that you made small profits. Today's 800 rupees is tomorrow's 8 lakh rupees once you consistently make that money. So don't underestimate yourself. So always remember that small profits are the steps to big profits. I always tell with my beginner students, here no politics works. Political influence works here. Money doesn't work here. If you have 1 crore rupees, now you give 1 crore rupees to the market and you won't earn money as in other businesses. Some business might run with political influences, but if you have political influences of big politicians also, here you won't get succeeded. This is completely a individual business. Whoever making lakhs of rupees, whoever making crores of rupees from the market started from small money only. They didn't invested 10 crore and made 100 crore next day. If the possibility was like that, then Ambani, Adani, everybody will be making money from market only. So it is a skill. You should start small. Then you should increase the capital. Then you should make some more money. That way the trading works. As a beginner, you will come today to the market and you think you will double your capital of 10,000 in a single day. Maybe for example, today you entered market and your 10,000 became 20,000 in a single day. Just observe the psychological effect that is affecting your mind. Tomorrow also you will wait for the double money scheme only. You won't exit once you make a small profit. The next day also you will wait for double money only. So that will clean up your whole capital in single 1 week or 15 days. So that mindset should not be there. Whenever you are doubling your money, that is for that day only. That is the gift that market has been given. So keep it with yourself. So don't take anything into your mind whenever market gives good profit. I hope you are getting all these points right. As an option buyer, how you should take an entry is very important. Strike price selection is very important, and exit is also very important. Small profits always leads to big profits. Today's 800 rupees is tomorrow's 8 lakh rupees. Don't forget that. If you are trading with 1 lakh, don't lose your hope. If you are trading with just 20,000 rupees, don't lose hope that you can't make money from option buying. That is not true. You can make money from option buying when you know how to take entry, when you know how the market works, how the buyers and sellers of psychology works. You can see here a doji sort of candle has been forming at the PDL level. If you look at the Nifty chart, it is above the PDL level. So what happens? For example, if Bank Nifty reverses from here, for example, now Bank Nifty reverses from here, there is a support of PDL in Nifty, right? There is a support of PDL in Nifty. As an option buyer, you can't take entry here because if Nifty reverses, Bank Nifty also might reverse and your stop loss will be triggered. A doji sort of candle has been formed. The next candle will confirm our entry. If the next candle closes above this doji high, then there might be a good upward move. If it breaks below the doji low, then there might be a good downward movement, but there is a support in Nifty. You should observe the breakout level support. All these things will be discussed in my webinar. If you wanted to learn more, then only you can join my webinar. If you wanted to learn much more about technical analysis, how an option buyer can make money from trading will be explained in my webinar. So if you want to join, you can join. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please make sure to like this video, also subscribe my channel, and in future I will try to make another live video. So take care traders, have a good day, have a profitable week ahead.